A face-off that has erupted in Mumbai over the recently inaugurated Atal Setu. Now, in the latest, the Congress has claimed, and there are some visuals and images coming in as well, that there are cracks on the bridge. Leaders of the party have posted visuals showing a crack on the tarmac in an approach ramp. Congress Maharashtra chief Nana Patole, along with others, in fact, visited the spot to inspect the crack and then leveled some sensational allegations against the Mahayuti in Maharashtra. He also put out a post saying this is corruption. Listen in.
नाना, एक क्रैक्स देख रहे हैं आप, क्या कहेंगे? जो 3 महीने हुए ये क्रैक्स आ गए।
देखो, आप तो सिर्फ लाइव देख रहे हो। महाराष्ट्र की सरकार ये भ्रष्टाचारी सरकार है। महाराष्ट्र को नरेंद्र मोदी और अमित शाह ने एटीएम बना के रखा। यहाँ का पैसा लेना और गुजरात में बांटना, यहाँ के उद्योग लेना, उधर लेके रखना, और उसे महाराष्ट्र को बर्बाद करने का एक प्लान नरेंद्र मोदी और अमित शाह ने बना के रखा है। 3 महीने के पहले अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी के नाम से इस पुलिया का ब्रिज का इनॉग्रेशन किया। ये समंदर में है और जनता को जान माल का खतरा है, ये भी सरकार को पता है, लेकिन भ्रष्टाचार तो करना ही है, कमीशन तो भेजना ही है, एटीएम देना ही है, और इसलिए ये 3 महीने में ये रास्ता पूरा ब्रिज के पास सब रास्ता ही खसकना शुरू हो चुका है।
Amidst the political allegations that are being leveled, the project manager, however, the engineer has dismissed the allegations, calling it a mountain out of a molehill. He also went on to say the crack on the temporary ramp is being fixed right now, and this will cause no danger to the commuters.
एक्चुअली देखिए, कई बार क्या होता है, लोग बात का बतरंग बना देते हैं, राई का पहाड़ बना देते हैं। अटल सेतु जैसे अगर आप मुंबई से आ रहे होंगे तो आपने अटल सेतु देखा होगा, नॉर्मल ट्रैफिक चालू है, कहीं कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं। जब भी कोई एक बड़ा सेतु बनता है तो उसमें 3 पार्ट रहते हैं। एक तो जो है मेन ब्रिज रहता है, उसके रैम्प्स रहते हैं कनेक्टिंग, एंड देन उसके अप्रोच रोड होते हैं। तो ये जो कल का इंसिडेंट जो आया हुआ है मीडिया में, वो अप्रोच रोड का है, एंड दिस आर द माइनर क्रैक्स, और उसकी वजह से कोई ट्रैफिक, जैसे आप देख रहे होंगे कि ट्रैफिक पूरा कहीं रुका हुआ नहीं है, ट्रैफिक कंटिन्यूस चल रहा है। पब्लिक को यही है, जहां काम चल रहा है, अगर कहीं कुछ कंप्लेंट्स है तो उसको बैरिकेशन देके जो है उसको अटेंड किया जाता है।
We have Arunil joining us with more details. Arunil, we heard political reactions and allegations leveled by Nana Patole. The engineer is dismissing all of that, saying these are minor cracks and that too on approach road. It will not cause any harm to the commuters. There is no danger to them. We are fixing it.
Well, Swati, at present I am reporting from the Atal Setu bridge only. This is the Ulve side of the bridge. We are towards the Navi Mumbai side. Now we basically travel from Mumbai to Navi Mumbai on the Atal bridge. The traffic is running smooth, I can assure you that, on both the sides, this side as well as from the Navi Mumbai, that is the Ulve side, towards the Mumbai side as well. We basically spoke to several people related to the construction of Atal Setu bridge. There is a work that is been happening, that is before the toll booth that is there on the Ulve side. So before the toll booth means that is not exactly the bridge that is there over the sea. That is the approach road that leads into the Atal bridge. And speaking about the engineering marvel that this bridge is, many people have spoken about it, but unfortunately there is this Atal Setu bridge, there are many controversies related to that as well. There are several detractors who have questioned, according to them, the tariff or the toll on this bridge is very high. When Rashmika Mandana, the actress, also had posted a video regarding this bridge, there were several from the Congress party who had questioned it. Now again, Nana Patole was here with several of his media friends to show that there were cracks on the Atal Setu bridge. However, later on clarification has been issued by the people who made this bridge, the engineers who made this bridge, as well as from the BJP, because the bridge was planned during the Devendra Fadnavis regime. That was the BJP government when it was in power in the state of Maharashtra, as well as it was completed when CM Eknath Shinde came in power. So the BJP basically has defended the bridge, saying that there are no
Right.
cracks on the bridge. It is the approach road which
Right,
basically has
normally
developed.
during monsoon, it has often come to fore that the roads cannot withstand the incessant rains that happen in the maximum city. But as far as this case is concerned, the engineer has dismissed all the allegations being leveled, calling it a minor crack and also assuring that it is being fixed, causing no harm or danger to the commuters.